and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be preparing a healthy vegetable omelette. As you guys can see, it's all about veggies. We have a mixture of carrots, cabbage and green bell pepper, and here we have the chopped onions together with the chopped tomatoes. We have a jumbo maji, and here we have sweet potatoes. We have the vegetable oil, spring onions, the eggs. We also have black pepper and red chili. Guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my oil. So now the oil is hot. I'm gonna go ahead and add in the sweet potatoes. So guys, it's okay like this now. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add in the onions together with the chopped tomatoes. I'm gonna go ahead and add in the spring onions and let them all simmer for some time. We have the eggs, the veggies, sweet potatoes, and spices. I'm gonna go ahead and add a teaspoon of red chili powder, and half a teaspoon of black pepper, the jumbo maji. I'm gonna whisk it together. Guys, I don't want my veggies to be overcooked. I want it to be half and half. I'm gonna go ahead and add the eggs inside the mixing bowl. I will also add the sweet potatoes as well. Guys, I'm a big fan of veggies. Veggies are healthy, and the vegetables that I use here are so good. They're a great source of vitamins and minerals as well. They contain fibers, they are antioxidants. They prevent so many things like constipation. They keep your heart healthy because they control your blood pressure at some point. They can also like control diabetes because they control the blood sugar level. I forgot to tell you guys how carrots are good for your eyes. They prevent cataracts and other eye conditions as well. The sauce is in progress, so I'm gonna let it simmer for some time, for some little time. Guys, the sauce is perfect now. It's so okay like this. I'm gonna go ahead and add it inside the mixing bowl together with the veggies and the eggs as well. We'll mix it all together before transferring it to the frying pan. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add the mixture inside the frying pan. I'm gonna reduce the stove. I will go ahead and close it for about 5 minutes before turning it to the other side. Guys, it's already 5 minutes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it. Then we'll give it another 5 minutes. And the omelette will be done. Guys, it's already 5 minutes and the omelette is ready. It's all set. Let's take a look. Oh my god, guys, this looks so yummy, so yummy. I really can't wait to like have this yummy omelette. And it's healthy, it looks great, it tastes great, and it's so healthy. So you guys should like copy this recipe and try it at home. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all and I love all of you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.